Okay, at here for this is Danka TV and radio online, and then you may so Yaba Monchen BM at the sports no air bremo. Samoti says Sabre, and you may that's the air body and not just some dark or Tenacia and Chibi or this sports ever. We've been there, Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamu. Time check right about now. It's 11 minutes past 8 p.m. Turkish time. This is the days of 11 minutes past 5 in Ghana. Premier League is back again. This is the days of Danka TV and radio. We are back again. First in news and best in news. We are the first and the best. The best say baby amutie free bia men selfish obe share link no Facebook ama unu bia so enye bia hwe Premier League is back again mo Europe any abrochi baby bia me say Sabre awona no aye din bebre Premier League is back again na so mo mama ba mu da bia rada mo mpem komanim Premier League is back again me say Nyankopon ebe bless your hustles. I will bring a near Jumako in your form cry. Now, some more what minia. If you said I'll be lose hope, no, so very day and I'll be lose battle. Okay. Therefore, Sabre in your bema some dark, but not say, in the end, Sabre cry, back on in China, all the sports news, no, a brain. Sam. Me more good evening, and you ready?
Good evening. Good
evening. To say.
Oh, Yamia Domaja. Bibiaboko, hi, Bibiaboko, Danka Dauma.
Yamia
Ayana in Simbimuna Yana a hard drink a crack.
Yamitiasi,
and somehow,
but Bibia come.
I say Women's Premier League is back again.
Some dark say and somehow papa now so Bibia come.
Tell everybody.
Sabre Wajina Konya or this sports news a more she. You will for Champions League matches a tough form and draw results in the Kika Hon in the neighbor Cosina or the brain.
We won't bring the loop back. Tell everybody.
Okay, Sam.
Chairman.
Charlie Nancy Deneco.
Who says it's here no Champions League no. And ra eto form and I know so European League eto so
okay
yeah near the can say Conference League and so assign extra tour
okay and Conference League no so there league no
say a league just say on moment me qualify for Europa League on also 7th on the league log no that was last season no
okay
and as see no Europa for that one on this sa league and so
okay
Champions League near up. If you know about Europa League and some about Conference League.
Yes,
and when we say Conference League, no teams like team which say Tottenham Hotspur and AS Roma Munina it will be and also ebo
and zizi and then enya sam ketwa kra
and some man say hanya na say we say Ghana say before e dey ntina say e bia obi e ya de for example me fan say me dey Danka radio example so what you say Ghana for what take hanomo we are almost more than 2,000 3,000 so what you say a Ghanaian community-based radio. First of its kind.
Yeah.
So what I say, your Nigerian communities who are hard, even they are not doing what some of the things Ghana community. We have some people in it are more here.
Yeah.
But as a Ghanaians, is it because of say? Ebia anko yo binentia they don't want to support the idea say ebia Ghana radio crowd hanu mu say enwumere wa pon adwuma ebia join them ebia comment ebia share ebia bring up your ideas na Ghana ankasa intimi nkoso no and also akwese say buachi bidin bi and say akwese say awon a pesemi nkuminya bi ojo kra won tia say eno no eya na eye beye sabio eye beye ana say your time because unim ya ti hanu mu say won ye bremu Ghana penfo say Ghana penfo nya de but Ghana community ya wa hanu mu say we are Ghana ni mi so me Ghana ni wantimi amwa menua wantimi amwa even nipa 10 a ewo ukrom and as nipa 100 a omo wase under you can't control them wantimi krampo ene obi kra enye idea baako now sorry I would phone ebesi wanim say Ghana mpanfo mampanyini aye mistake who are you Ghana and as a blacks nankasa me say the ideology of we the blacks no na poisonous. So what you say? So Ghana based radio I take hanu mu say. What you say? Obaba okay it say obesho obehwe oba na say odwane na so oba behwe ya obehwe mistake ayeye.
Yeah, no
akonya biaka rather than say nipa no otimi e host program ye nua ba mi chi betena hayi mistake ene na no a etoto papa so na obi etimi capture na ode esre danka radio so what you say but the progressiveness a ye nua ba no no homodeni ene dia danka radio aba say ankoya esimasi na koya bintinti e che say yan kangu na yan say ade no because o wasori we mu ofi kro we so what I say odwan kro we enu ntino mintie me share what I say me share ntini pa anya me na say eya wo dia ene eya mprema ne nkoso aya na ebayi
very bad
see ka se bayi a obi ebayifu asabe enu obi otu no ebayifu so what I say enti aya na ha adwen and then we am to us am dwon am say na Ghana unim nanse a se councillor ambassador ba hwe Ghana for ebo chenku ho so what you say a Ghanaian community based radio by this time obi apon adwuma what you say at least we hear what duane
say ya pon adwuma ya kodu
yes
ye nyina obi afa ne phone a
yes
news ne ade na ye ko
yes
YouTube Facebook
at least
enti se bi wo ebi aben ye wa
ade kwampa
ko ho Ghana no ebi na o continue to Danka TV and Danka radio
na jebi eba hanoma hwe news ode ba so at ade kwampa the most painful and sadness thing that a woman say ye nua no mo Ghana omo to date omo bre some are able to join us on Facebook I share want to Wi-Fi say with the whole month it say ubehwe unua na bia anya ebia asimasi anya me kofi na eye Danka nti it say ensay
no crepa
beye yes run here so them say bomb what is the essence of it
because we Ghanaians and we I say
it's too bad
pull him down attitude
na hard dream
na ye blame say now can ye blame panifo and now pani anye say but no what are you doing to help others so that
what is a
opani na o ti baby a o blame ni say onye hwe onye una unya asa position
and can so say no
more than the oye no
what you say
because in your little corner now unye ye bibi untimi enye dey en supporting ema untimi progress
yes
now they call when you
what you say na people think say be a Facebook uba ha no ma Danka uko Facebook a you a certain level Danka ko nya nu half Facebook for MOB sika so what you say Europe radio stations in Europe your topical radio or Germany so what you say Ghanaians based in Germany they have helped the radio to progress so what you say your high life radio United States online radio but the Ghanaian based in the United States do you know say omoko Facebook within a seconds now omo 1k the Ghanaian based citizens of more Germany and other European countries they are helping their radio to progress
because
what you say
abrochi a okeka omo we nyina yen me fancy krum high we yen kan ye krum kasa wa
yes
itinkade na efese wabenya radio a ono no krum kasa ofi adwuma bisie na waso phone obi won't come crowd fia at least wo data
data
obetimi ahwe kakra ko
utu fia with
Wi-Fi how many minutes are you going to
those even those
TV and Danka
yes
to support your brother
even those radio station can make omo full time program
no
but they support so what you say it's so painful I am not but I am not say on fix country we should fix our mindset we should fix ourselves our bad attitude so what you say negativity say you pull you bit down and no kwa na Ghana for you ni here say you say ade and no kwa na Ghana for you ni here so what you say ade no kosi ankosi koda nkoda you say some dark ba sports onya ade enso you do betra konso achi a unso ahutumi nye what you say
na ha say a on bakasa me ba ma no popo enso so me yesi obi mpokora bet na on me ka she apo
ye dey achi a
na again na no ntia
ebe ha dwe ye first story so na
hey Yenya no crampo. Oh, you move 50.
Too bad. And then they Ghana for I say. Saturday no, they are sharing team.
It's too bad.
No,
Negativity
for supporting.
Yes, we don't help each other. So what you say? Wi-Fi. A Ghanaian-based radio.
I hear the man to meet you.
Me like taking me on sports presentation. Me or to me share me program.
Yes.
On TSC, but for share. With Nigerians, Sawuka Trauma said there is a Ghanaian-based radio station here. They feel amazing. They are Nigerians.
Last time.
But what of we Ghanaians?
Last time I economic catch say Nigerian
it's too bad.
Vision we know what to me I some like this ni fellow Nigerian no okromu ha on you say chale ebia me business that me business na me no
yes
ebia o me customers that
yes
essence ni nua abebi
to be support
say obe try abe support
yes
ono so de ne kakra abe support ni nua because oni say enya ni we no be support ni kwa na be promote ni business o kra na say kakra wanya no no see obetimi da
esimasi adru hanom enye ono na odi radio station ni bae enti say ekofa obenten so ba ene yembontu what you say esimasi omo no mo ba ha omo ye mpanfo enti say owo krata na say obi Ghana ni aba foforo say enso odi na ni mani nyan krata no bo na bro ma wetra high overstay onya krata ni bi no na epe that is the attitude of free Ghanaians here yentimi nka but it's unfair but if you ask him a baby says one man yonko and chankwa usu chandru yankwaso all right your mamu nyina atro ama wakwa ba e buy your best power sports station so and then you so abedwafo atena say Danka radio and then you I send amote no sa na beba fire no e wo ho pusu Danka o ma no +90 546 64 59726 na any Dan campaign for entwetwe nkomom dwumadie pia pesa woni omu edi omu flexible terms and condition e wo ho ma amon so maso yasena ye di agropama so san drive sports and ye di brow na e ma real fi say enro anatro Champions League night na Champions League night echese uhwe group A Club Brugge etimi tena fie ma RB Leipzig ekobone kanum echese wantimi antimi ebi sanso na Manchester City the Sky Blues etena Etihad Sports Stadium after 90th minutes plus additional time now we winning by 2-1 against PSG a certain Lionel Messi and then nkola no echese e ma refi say Kylian Mbappe ono no timi to atena edema echese PSG for no canin and sana Manchester City Raheem Sterling and Bernardo Silva mo esutimi wi atuma ne ma Manchester City for na say group A no e ma we fi say Manchester City omotimi qualify siki qualification eko 116 state omo 12 points sanso na PSG so likely so betimi qualify no so 8 points so no ma and so yan saka yet bell Atletico Madrid group B no otenase Wanda Metropolitano Sports Stadium otimi tena hono mo say ama AC Milan say Zlatan Ibrahimovic and nkura no etimi ko trio mo kabako a omo so omo ntimi anti ewo hono ma no so yasaka de ba Junior Messias ono no timi eposo atena no ade ma AC Milan boboko no so the same group Liverpool omo trase ewo Anfield ehye kanu mienu ma FC Porto omo so Amantimi anti ekanimu eche ya no so ne sema ya nsaka de blow of course Mohamed Salah and Thiago Alcantara omo no mutimi wi atuma no ade ma Liverpool boboko no e ma we say Liverpool omo ya unbeaten omo so mutimi seek qualification to the round of 16 stage in the UEFA Champions League so FC Porto and Milan and Atletico Madrid when ebetimi qualify aka Liverpool home and so many club ya na betre so group C a Vodafone Park Istanbul Turkey just Besiktas etna fie ama Ajax Amsterdam from Holland ekobone kan mienu a Besiktas etmiti ekanu ba ko me pacho Cote d'Ivoire ni abrantie a osina kan de ma Ajax Amsterdam for no Sebastian Haller otmi Bobrace edema Ajax Amsterdam after so free bench by obewie atuma no edema Ajax for so etmi qualify among so mo unbeaten 100% record among any match nyina Sporting CP etna fie e Portugal and Borussia Dortmund e kamiensa Dortmund so etiemu ba ko international Milan ensu shemienu ma Shakhtar Donetsk entini anti ekano sansuna FC Shakhtar ensu trefie ma Real Madrid the White Angels Carlo Ancelotti ene nkura no ekonomo mo ekamiensa omonso omantini anti honomo ene so far UEFA Champions League ene so yensaka yede ebrau na ene so Europa League no so matches no eguguo Brøndby IF obetrefie on Olympiacos Olympics nyona etimi awie Tantuna Rangers and Sparta Praha Pacho AS Monaco and Real Sociedad and a PSV Eindhoven on his Sturm Graz Eberian Tantuna Leicester City and FC Warsaw and Subetmerie and Trans Frankfurt on the Royal Antwerp Eberian Samson Olympiacos and Fenerbahce from Turkey and Subetmerie Jumano Galatasaray from Turkey and also the Olympic Dimaso and so Eberian Jumano Samson Lokomotiv Moscow and more Russia and more Lazio and Subetmerie Tanso FC Michelin on a Sporting Praha and Superpon and so Vina Zebda FC and also any Resgrad and Subetmerie Jumano by all from Leverkusen and also the Celtic Eberian Samson Red Betis Bologna and Subetinase and so any Verefresi FC and Subetmi Area Jumano so Europa League matches and also air course and anymore yan saka ya the brow number 2 more refi say Europa Champions League matches and air course no say Chelsea for omo ya one was there papa ushe Chelsea for defenders this season say bibia betimi in all competition Chelsea defenders no say no betimi involvement omo ball mun say na tia Richie James wetimi 5 assists aye ashe 5 goals ho say enai upewia say say upper right back upon homodi Riasipa untimi enyi Reece James enfrimu Reece James osina kai adima Chelsea the Blues wetimi ashe 5 goals in all competition as a defender utimi share 5 goals etimi 5 assists na say omodi bon eso enim me pacho say Trevor Tavola also wetimi ashe 3 goals hanom Benchiwo wetimi ashe 3 goals 1 assist Samson Antonio Rudiger of course the German international no also why 2 assists ashe 2 goals adima Chelsea the Blues man nyawawa say Thomas Tuchel otimi dominate Chelsea bobo sa and also etimi akoso ye Marcus Alonso washe 1 goal and so 1 assist honum Samsona Thiago Silva and so washe 1 goal aya 1 assist Samsona Andres Christensen also otimi ashe 1 goal honum let us say players ambo mudin omunyina aye defenders yanso modern bono so ani ye papa and so yansaka ye de Brown na Europa Champions League no team of the week no say na Etienne let us say omuyi team of the week it's some modia mananti ombo homodin omo various teams no and omutimi epa omo teams of the week na goalkeeper no omo fa kotoa osin na kan adema Real Madrid Sansuna Osha central defenders na omufa David Alaba also our Real Madrid Otamendi and also Benfica Sansona Chabola also our Chelsea the Blues and Rich James also a Chelsea and Pedro also our Sporting CP among defenders ye for the week Europa Champions League na etasa Osha midfielders e patron omuyi Abrantia ye feno first back osina kan adema RB Leipzig Sansona Thiago Alcantara osina kan the Liverpool Sansona Abrantia fan Nkuku osina kan de ma RB Leipzig also na Sporting CP ni Abrantia ye friend Pedro Gonzalez and also esina kan and Takano of course omuyi Edenzako also omde kan ho and then it is a Champions League teams of the week and also the Sama Yansaka ye de Abrao na Champions League goal king chart no say na Etienne o share Champions League UEFA Champions League goal king chart na and also say na Etienne Abrantia Sebastian Haller of Côte d'Ivoire osina kan edema Ajax Amsterdam on 9 goals Sansuna Robert Lewandowski osina kan of Poland osina kan de Bayern Munich also our 9 goals Sansuna Christopher Nkuku osina kan de RB Leipzig also 7 goals for him Mo Salah Mohamed Salah the Egyptian king also osina kan de Liverpool you never walk alone also 6 goals Cristiano Ronaldo da Santos Alvaro da Silva also osina kan de Manchester United the Red Devils also 6 goals in Champions League this season Sansuna Karim Mustafa Benzema French leadership osina kan at the Real Madrid the White Angels also watching 5 goals Leroy Sani also osina kan the Bayern Munich also 4 goals Pedro Gonzalez also osina kan the Sporting CB also 4 goals Riyad Mahrez also Manchester City of course also 4 goals and only UEFA Champions League just a goal king chart now Messi there Audacia baby just watch 3 goals so far in UEFA Champions League and also Yansaka ya the Brown na ya put Thomas Tuchel asoya papa ibon homoden papa coach just say see Europe anywhere see nyina de upe coach upon homoden wontimi yi Thomas Tuchel entimi enfam film na Thomas Tuchel after say training Chelsea Boko no just say watimi awini 32 matches wawini 32 matches out of 50 games awabono wawini 32 matches and awabo draw makmako 11 wadi 57 ha na just say take Chelsea pass up show na head Thomas Tuchel after 15 matches or match 7 wadi 57 me patron 31 clean sheet just say wabo matches makmako 31 go and to Chelsea atenem ha Thomas Tuchel upon Hamadi ye papa Samsuna 24 goals conceded with me 15 matches now conceded just 24 goals let's say we coach Hamadi Mosu SNI we winning 2 trophies of course UEFA Champions League hey we upon Hamadi ye papa and then say me fit Thomas Tuchel so epa na yenso yansaka ye the bell na ye ko Edward Mendy abenchi oteko at the Senegalese popoko no afenso on the Chelsea side the Blues and no Anfield just said now Stamford Bridge for any episode apprenti the goal just say ushe area goalkeepers for the one now they want me apprenti fan Edward Mendy from free na Edward Mendy so just say 18 short faced ushe short akon so and maku 18 strong ones pa what me make a save 17 times Edward Mendy pon homoting was save 17 shot Sansuna 10 shots saved from inside the box. Just a shot to be able to miss a share a real box anymore. A Yamakuma could do a Edward Mendy 94.4% save percentage. That is a brand here goalkeeper. Your friend Edward Mendy Ponomadi Papa Samsung what me making 7 clean sheet and also Honoma Yansaka Yadi Abro Senegalese as a Afi Afcono bad the year papa as a we are Senegal goalkeeper. That's what in Bomodi say padia as a normal so betima kosuye e de ama papa no so nsema ya saka ya de ebro na Chelsea for make bid be 84 million pounds sterling nyame adoma January omo de kwa kofa abrante ye friend Federico Chiesa a osina kandema Juventus wonim say abrante Federico Chiesa oba Chelsea midfield ho ha be bia wie atuma ne be fa e de ama Thomas Tuchel e tese mame ye friend Marina ai Chelsea board no betimi na di nkomo nya mame so timutintimai pa no matimi akọ Juve for so ya abrante ye for Federico Chiesa na Chelsea for so tima akọ tabri no ho 84 million pounds and sika Chelsea for epese omo tabri and ko tam abrante Federico Chiesa every Juventus the all ladies of Italian football no obedwen them the Chelsea the Blues I was Stamford Bridge e be pia ball no it me press ball pass ball adema Lukaku mu so timi wi adwuma kama adema Chelsea the Blues and also ensama yensa aka yade Abraham na enra our wonder Metropolitano na chese Atletico Madrid for home no enra ensam sisi here after say AC Milan for 8 winning game no na entokwesi between AC Milan supporters and Atletico Madrid supporters na chese wonder Metropolitano hono na chese ensam sisi supporters mioni edijemu wogdigidia na nyasem ketwa kura na ina police for etimi echi nipa miensa erikogu mu Spain mountain na Spain man mu omo se omo tro mu ye papa according to police for omo se omo tro mu papa na ubisa ye nua David Jaya obechirawo e was Spain man mu na say no be chef ni be chef Atletico Madrid and AC Milan game no na enya agro kwa na ina Atletico Madrid for board no omo trase I say, Papa, your friend Diego Simoni, I have born home modern kakra. Yandi Yampa Spanish La Liga de Santander. Last season, yet me Spanish La Liga Champions League games. So I have born home modern. So see a bad thing. Say Atletico Madrid. I'm a final match, you know. So I'm going to me. I qualified to the 16th stage of the UEFA Champions League. And also the Ensama Yansaka had the bro. Now Atletico board, you know. I'm only Papa, your friend Diego Simoni, coach here, just a crazy coach, just a Usha upon home modern. O touch liar hey na just a fans energy no pa na so na send your normal 8 enkoso emfa ma Diego Simonia Atletico board no so dwa o ma pa lie o mo se so ntimo for team no an qualify an Champions League en so betimi ha dwen wo hono en so ne nsema ya saka ye de bell na Cristiano Ronaldo da Santos Alvaro da Silva hey player we or ye brutal we see wa 140 goals UEFA Champions League goals when him enra after say Sporting CP etimi kwa qualify ya omuko amanim to the 116th state of UEFA Champions League no and Cristiano Ronaldo mame hebehwe mese say na oye Sporting Lisbon for fun pa behwe mame opeja flag no na ohuru say na say o celebrate after say Sporting CP otimi esiki qualification omonso omakwa the 116th state of UEFA Champions League no Cristiano Ronaldo mame eyene nichi sem papa if you say usha number 1 team a Sporting Lisbon and as a Sporting CP poko na and so ye saka ye the bro and no mame ni giye et se na bibia so etimi ekoso ye adema Cristiano Ronaldo da Santos Aveiro da Silva ni mame and so the sama ye saka ye the bro the best sports station so obetimi adwane on Facebook Danka TV ni bia de na akwamu odwane no comment no share na bibia de na akwamu wo de comment ne ba yes you betimi ready at the amount na Chelsea the Blues unim after saying last season, amoya the best in Europe. Europe, the whole Europe. Europe, so many countries. Now so say as a stand down, crab upon home in Europe. Chelsea the Blues, Thomas Tuchel, Alan Nkurano, Roman Abramovich, Odisikatum Prada, just any team no Chelsea the Blues. Almost saying, our United States of America, Omoko US Merimu, Omoko Amo the UEFA Champions League trophy no. Yami aduma early January. Early of next year, Chelsea, and so at the UEFA Champions League trophy, no, I'm going to quarter. I was US of A. Biden Chrome, no, I'm so they are quarter fans. I'm say the Ayah, just improvement to Koso, Yami Aduma, Roberto Di Matteo, or the Champions League, any kind of my now Thomas Tuchel Swaba, Wabaji Dietosumi, let us a team in a bonny one day, or Manchester United, ma, or Mobada Dadano, or Majimi and Sapa, now so Chelsea, even Crown this season, or say a contenders, Masi and Champions League on SCC now so anything I say fata so mutimi koto omodin just one Champions League trophy no akoche the people of United States of America and also in some years sakan near the brother best sports station so now Tony Van de Beek or your player abent your power modin your papa or your midfielder Bobo Lelele at the Manchester United na abent your way na yerenyem na wako trust can just ultrasound machine na kasa almost say Tony Van der Beek na yire no be wo ba enti say Sam Dak mu benya ma ware ne adadia bibia de na akwamu Tony Van der Beek nyame adum na say ne yire ne wo ba bibia tme be de yie ade ma Manchester United bia kra na ne ba no obetime be sia kan ade ma Manchester United ma no bopoko no ene so ne ensema ye nsa kan ye de brown ensem do so ye be sani fie na ye sani fie dia of course you know it's Accra House of Folk for bia never say that until the bones are really rotten. Let us a Sunday. JS Water of Algeria. Amoba. It is a Ghana. Na Beshe. Accra House of Folk. So see a cough. Etimi approve 10,000 spectators and a bit miaka or hini chan Yamiadma Sunday etimi akotai Accra House of Folk achia almost bet me the CAF Confederation Cup no sweet me so e ma refi say house for etimi qualifier omo money our CAF Confederation Cup eti Ghana for me pamochoba bia mo bia sa wo yakotokoni sa wo House of Lion ni sa wo Bekum Chelsea ni abredu dia enyam papa mu nie obia nkotai Accra House of Folk achi coach Samuel Brodu si bibia de ye ono de ontehwe Ethiopia wanya ko Flagstaff House na akufuado premai adu gagai oni kochi kasai o si bibia be fa entimu kama kuma entum yem Accra so fo we so ne nsama etimi efi amaso yeba na wonim Kumasi Asante Kotoko se sia na nkasa mante ntimi hu se after so amko Dubai ba ye minim aduane a Dubai for the ma Kotokofo boys no mu di yen wonim enura me se be hwe adako dache Kumasi Asante Kotoko training ke komo ye omo bot try match omo ne Kimpo Academy na Kumasi Asante Kotoko entimi hu nkulai mo bo eso mu e kapoli enum Kimpo Academy na se Kumasi Asante Kotoko for etimi hwe atuma no nyame ya duma Sunday eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene Karara ewo enyina se ensem betimi asi bibia so betimi ya kama coach Prosper Dr. Nate Ogun o se ha Kotoko team no job man so no bibia so betimi ya kama ede ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene so ne sama ya saka ede mam Razak Abrorwa e just wetimi ada 4 matches et keep 3 good clean clean sheet ɛde ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko na sɛ upe goalkeeper currently in Ghana Premier League ɛyɛ Razak Abelelua yɛnsɛm no ɛdɔɔso yie papa yɛnsɛm no ɛdɔɔso na wonim Hazakas ladies so wonim ɔmo kɔ ɛkyɛ sɛ CAF Women Champions League the maiden edition ɔmo kɔ yɛ no wonim ɔmo kɔtɔɔ so mmienu ɔmo timi gye silver ɛde ɛbɛ fie na ɛnso no bibia so betimi ɛkɔ yie ɛde amo Mamelodi Sundowns na etimi ɛhyɛ ɔmo ɛgye trophy no nanso ɔmo say it's not over they shall bounce back ɛno so ne ɛnsɛm a coach a yɛfrɛ no Yusuf Atizigi ɔno so ɛyɛ coach a ɛde ma Hazakas ladies for ɔno so etimi ade ato dwa na atwa wie ya nso Ghana Premier League no so ebetimi etimi atɔ fam mampatwɔ say na matches no so esitie ya wo boso sesia ne ade yansɛm no so etimi esi fam ade ama wo hono ɛwɔ your best sports station so wobetimi adwane yɛ ɛyɛ Danka Radio udwane a na wa comment na wa share minim sɛ Augustine yira shamo mo hwɛ kama na otwe wie ye Ghana Premier League matches no say na etie ebɛhyɛ ase nyame yɛ adom a Friday no Legon Cities ɛbɛtra so Accra Sports Stadium ɔne Aduana Stars Accra House of Folk ɛne Brekum Chelsea match no ya cancel no because House of Folk ɛbɔ Confederation Cup sanso na West Africa Football Academy wafa nso ne Accra Great Olympics match egbe Olympics no nso mbɔ mo modin ye papa ɛwɔ hono mo sanso na Kalaba United ɔbɛtra se ne Asante Kotoko wie adwuma no King Faisal ene Mediama be wie adwuma no sanu so na Red Tamale United out to you ne Ashanti Gold ebetuma wie adwuma be Chem United ebetra so be Chem na on Dreams FC of course nga so on Dreams FC Fatawi Shai Kumo omusu betuma wie adwuma sanu so na 11-1 test and normal shira nkoyie after the exit of Coach Ignatius na is a normal nkoyie emfa ma 11-1 test for omne Elmina Sharks nso betuma wie sanu so na Babia ni Gold Stars ene just say Accra Lions the new two promoted side almost betime wie adwuma no e wo babia ni just say bibians betuma ko kama adema yakona na bi ho e studio P near the 1 or 2 discussions at once on time to na tenase na twen na for comment e bra ni betuma kan adema piao
Samdak Charlie wabodwuma nyame sure winua You're not sure. Okay, arose. I see be quiet and don't be silly. Hey, phobia. Okay. Good evening once again. Time check right about now is 44 minutes past 8. Union Samdak na at this point say mu hwehwe na aba. Sa. They send the house for any Ajo studio ha no masa. Say house for hasa minimu da. Okay, tie for da masi be brace and munya so na motimi atie yen. Na motimi ahwe yen on Facebook no so. Nyame hwa mu nyina. Danka busuafo da masi. E be sere se mon koso na mon share link na mamunyo na mun sunya bi hwe. Mesro se menye selfish wati. Oh share no now the comments so for Facebook aba. And the who say Facebook comments no aye bebrebe. And the Danka Sports ni jet ya to anka. Okay, Sabri, you go in your Samdak Kona, you need not 1 or 2 EB. Sam, Charlie, they said and the crowd the Champions League in a and the phobia Janamasa, and you know that you are phobia and you
know crowd bar, my sense, Crania Jadia. Phobia. Arose. Yes. Be quiet and don't be silly. Sure.
We are the famous House of Folk. And we never say die. Your best dress a Ghana for baby a movie, a momo de na moon.
Oh, yeah.